D1. This is the D1. Okay. Next D2, you take it. Take the D2 here. What is happening here? 10, 20, 30 are the keys. 20 and 50 are the keys. So I'm going to say, so when the D2 values are adding to D1, it will see 50 is a unique value. 50 is added as it is. When 20 is adding to this D1, already there is a 20. So old value of 2.3, that is replaced with what? 4.5. If I say D2 dot update of D1, 4.5 is replaced with 2.3. So print of D1. Print of D1, you see, this is the data what we are getting it. Are you following me? Right. That is in the case of one is having a common value at the time of merging. Previous one is what? Completely different values are there, students. Next, I will go to all of them are same values. Same values are there. So next case, third case, I'm talking about different cases I'm showing here. So these are the another D2. Observe 10 1.2, 22.3, 33.4. So 30 14.5, 20 11.2. So it's your choice. You want to update D2 values with D1 or D1 values with what? D2 now. It is your choice. How do you do? D1 dot, D1 dot, D1 or D2? You want to go for D2 values to add D1? I need to write a D1 dot update of D2. Or D2 values want to update with D1, you can do. D2 dot update of D1. So you please see what will be the values of D2? 14 point, that is 14.5 replaced with 3.4, 11.2 replaced with, that's all. Are you able to follow now? That's all. So this is about which function? Update function. So I completed all the functions. So I hope that you people might worked on these examples. All of you practiced? Practiced? Right. So some of them did not practice. Still they are saying like that. Yes, like that. So it is your choice, students. You need to practice, students. Then only we can get the things in a positive manner. So if we don't practice, what can we do, students? We give best knowledge to you people, and it is your choice to take care about yourself. So I'm going to start about next one, enter into this place. What is the next one? I'm going to enter into the most important discussion. I'm going to make it. So dicting dict. I'm going to talk about dicting dict. So this is the one I'm going to enter. This is called a complex dictionary concept. I'm going to talk about it. Complex dict mechanisms. Dict mechanisms I'm going to talk. We can also take it as what? Dicting dict. Dicting dict. Because in AI, in machine learning, you can come across combination, students. It is also called as what combinations of hmm, combinations of dict with dict, dict with dict. Come on, dict with what? List. Dict with what again? Tuple. Dict with what? Set. And vice versa. Vice versa. This I'm going to talk about it. Okay. So let me make you to understand about the subject here. First, I will go forward with respect to dict. So I'm going to talk about the dict. So dict is the outer part. Dict is the outer part. Are you able to follow now, all of you? Yes. Come on, Ma. I just initiate. You need to start 16 combinations now. Already, most of the combinations already done. So we are learning the most important ones. Okay. Dict inside of dict. That is a dict in dict. Okay. Next, second. What we can write inside the dict? List in dict. List in dict. What is the outer part here? Dict. What is the inner one? I'll explain. I'll explain. Next, please start. Tuple in. Very good. Tuple in dict. Very good. Next, set in. Very nice. This is about what? With respect to dict, you need to learn. Only dict. Yesterday only over. But today I want to tell you something more deep and deep. That is with respect to what, ma? Dict. Now I'm going to take it with respect to what? List. What is an outer component today? List is an outer component. What we learned already in the class? List in list already learned now. This is completed. Completed. C means completed. Sixth, tuple in list also completed or not? Yes, completed. Next, set in list also completed. Correct? Yes. Next, eighth, dict in list. Dict in list. So we are going to learn today. The above four plus this one we are going to learn it. Next, what? Come on. With respect to, very good, tuple. With respect to tuple. Come on, everybody. Ninth one is very nice. Good. Next, list in. Good. Come on, continue. Nice. Set in tuple. Good. Next. That's all. Dict in tuple. So this combination we need to learn. This is completed already. We learned it. This also completed. This also completed. This also completed. Correct? And this we are about to enter. This we are about to enter. Next, with respect to set. With respect to set. Right? Good. Set in. Very nice. Set in, set. Next. So this is also completed. 14. List in, set. This is also completed. Come on, tuple in, set. Tuple in, set. This also completed. So I don't know whether you are perfect already or not. Next, dict in, set. That we need to learn it. So totally today we are learning about these many things. This fourth one, four things, five, and then six, and then seven. Seven things we are going to learn today, which are very, very important. So I'm going to start with the first combination called dict in dictive. So I'm going to start with dict in dictive. So I'm going to start with. Let students take our example, our base example, number, name, mid marks, semester marks, and then college name like that. Come on, D1 is equal to D1 is equal to 10 comma RS comma. Okay. What is the 10 here? SNO colon what? 10. SNO colon 10. What is SNO here? Key. That is called key. That is called what? Key. Value of key. Correct. So single means you can call it the key. No problem. When you have more than one key, don't call it the keys. Call it as like that. English is important. Single one you can call it as a key. More than one you call it as like that. That is called good English. Come on. Next I will take it as name. Name is called what? RS. Next I'm going to write it. Now I'm going to write MM. What is MM here? Key. It is a key. MM is a key. One key. So far we are having what? Only one value. So far, one key is having only one value, one key is having only one value. That is called plain dictionary. One key can have more than one value. One key can have more than one value. You take MM. MM is called our mid marks. Mid marks can be more than one. Na? What are the mid marks you have? CM. CM is out of 30, 25. You got 25. CPP. CPP. I am having what? Under. I am writing 23. 23. Close. This is called very important. This is the inner dictionary. This is called a value. For the key called what? MM. Today class is very important. Yesterday only I said only today intelligent students only need to come today. I said, okay, all of them are intelligent. Today only intelligent students came, right? Raise your hands. Who is intelligent here? All of you raise your hands. Raise, raise all of you. Why you are not intelligent? You are intelligent. Raise, ma. Raise all of your hands. Raise. Hey, why are you not raising? Okay, good. You are intelligent. Intelligent or not? Yes, 100%. So don't think that you are not intelligent. You are intelligent. Say what? You are intelligent or not? Yes, 100% you are intelligent. So what I want to say is why I will say all of you some difficult questions. Because outside, I want to prepare top of everybody. I want to prepare you top of everybody. That is my target. You take other students comparison in the market, you are the best, provided when you read my notes. Correct or not? Yes. So now I'll go to one more kind of thing. What is the next? I'm going to take it. One more kind of thing. EM or SM, semester marks. Semester marks also contains what is the SM? Key. It's the key. For that key, how many semester subjects are there? CM, one semester mark. CPP is also one more semester marks. Okay. Now I am writing CM colon. I say out of 70, I say 65. And you got CPP. You got it as what something like 62. You got it. Close it. Close it now. Close it now, students. Online students, be careful, mom. So I'm going to take it now. Next, I'm going to write it. C name, CN means college name, and a JNTU. I am writing. This is called what? One dictionary. One dictionary. So here, this kind of thing. This is going to be called as what? Outer dictionary. This is called a normal key comma value pair. This is called a normal key comma value pair. This is known as what? MM is called what? One key. For one key, there is a dictionary itself is a value. This is called a complex dictionaries. This is called what? Key. For that key, there is a group of values are there. That is called a dictionary. The value itself is called what? A dictionary. This is called a normal key comma value pair only. So we should be perfect in today this kind of cases. And if you take in machine learning, you take in AI programming, data science, you take it wherever Python is coming. Python is not a joke what people says. Python is really tremendous nowadays. So done. Print of D1 and a type of D1. I'm going to say this is called a dictionary is coming. So I'm printing now. Come on. How do I print? For key comma value in D1 dot items. In D1 dot items of. Yesterday completed items of. Yes. Print of K comma. I will print a comma what? V comma. And I will write it a type of V. Type of V comma arrow. Here I'm writing type of what type of D1. Type of D1. So it is going to print, you see, SNO name, MM and SM and CN are called what? Values of key. Values of key. These are called what? Values of value. But this is also value of value. The value of value itself is what? Which is present in where? Dict. Dict present in dict. Are you able to follow? This is also called a key. For one key, there is another key. That key itself is called a dictor. Present in where? Dictor. These are the two main entries I have. These are two main entries I am having. So CN is equal to JNTU. This is my dictionary structure. This is called a dictionary in dictionary. Able to follow? Very nice. Students, online students, are you comfortable up to here? Respond more today. Be active compared to everybody. Compared to every day. Today, be active, students. Right, good. Now I'm going to ask you slowly the questions I'm asking. I want to display inner dictionary value. I'm going on asking questions, you go on replying. Today, very less replies will come from you because for thinking you takes a lot of time. If you practiced yesterday nicely, today you can answer me very well. Now I want to get that inner dictionary. How do you get it? Come on. D1 dot get of mm. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good. Keep it up. D1 dot get of mm. That's not perfect. How do you get it in another way? D1 of mm. That is also another way. How do you display the key comma value pair of this one? How do you display the key comma value pair of inner dictionary? For k comma v in d1 dot get of mm dot items. See, d1 dot get of mm will give you what? This dictionary. Dot items will give you what? C will be there in K. 25 will be there in V. CPP will be there in K. 23 will be there in V. So I want to print it. Now I want to print it. Print of. What is this now? K comma, arrow comma, V. So I'm going to print it. Is it clear? I think it is more clear. You can also print another one. I want to print it. What is that now? D1 of mm. This is called what? SM. SM. I will say dot what? Items. Like this also you can do. Like this also you can do. Are you getting our? Yes. Online students. Up to here. Don't feel complicated. This is a way to learn it. Okay. Now I will go to print off. Let me display the original one. Let me display the original one. Got it. Now students, I want to add PYM to the inner dictionary. I want to add PYM, Python marks, PYM, and I want to add 30 I want to add this key comma value pair. I want to add to the inner dictionary. How do you add this PYM colon 30 to the inner dictionary? That is my question. That is my question. How do you add it? Come on, who will tell? D1 of MM, very good. MM, come on, of good. PYM, good, nice. Come on, stand up. Is equal to value, very good. Sit down, keep it up. Good, good student. So this is added. See that D1 of D1 of will give you this inner dictionary. To that inner dictionary, my search at a key is equal to what? Value. So it is done. Print that. Print the D1. Print the D1. So I say print the D1. So it is printed. Is it PYM added or not? I want to add Python semester marks also. I want to add 69. I want to add. In another way, I will add it. D1 dot. Come on. Get off SM of, come on, PYM is equal to 69. So also added. Is it a PYM added or not? As an inner dictionary. Online students, is it clear? Is these two statements are clear? Okay, good. Now, very beautiful question. Now I want to calculate total marks of inner dictionary. 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 The total marks to be added in where? Mid marks only. After PYM, I want to TOT. I want to TOT. 25 plus 23. How much? 48. 48 plus 30. 78. TOT colon 78 I want. This I want to add to the inner dictionary. Did you understand my question? Clear? Can we start? Yes. First, you try to understand how to find the total mark. First, how to get the total you need to understand. Tell me how to get the total. Come on. If you don't tell, I will write it. D1 dot get off. T1 dot get off mm. T1 dot get off mm will give you what? Inner dictionary. In the inner dictionary, dot what? Get of what? CM will give you which marks? 30, 25. 35 కాదు 25 plus plus come on d1 dot get off same mm in only I want what get off cpp plus I want same thing dot get off what pym. This is the way to find the total marks. Come on, looking too seriously, is it okay? Got it? Okay, though you are not able to say, after writing, are you able to understand? In another way also you can do, ma. What is the another way? D1 of mm. D1 dot what? Mm. Of what you can say? Cm. This way also you can do. Plus. So, mm, again I will write what? CPP. Again plus I will write what? Like this. Right? You can write in another way. D1 of mm dot get of what? No. So you have to go values. If you get it, problem will come. Values is which type? Dict underscore values type. Dict underscore values type, you cannot find the total. Total I want now. Total. So typecast to what type? List type. List you need to do what? Sum of. That is big process. That is a big process. Come on, how do you do now? D1 of. Come on, students. MM in that. Come on. Total. TOT. Total. In that place, I need to add. Come on, d1 dot get off mm dot get off cm. This is called one thing. Plus next is called what? Plus I need to say, come on, what is this now? CPPM. CPP, only CPP. Okay, next of what I can say? PYM. So it is done, added, and print of D1. Is it TOT 78 is coming or not? TOT 78 is coming. Similarly, I want to go for finding the total here also. It is as good as same as like that. In another way around, I will say to you. How do you do, mom? You come to this entire statement. You say what? Come on. SM, I'm going to take it. I say this, you can say D1 of what you can say of of what you can say CM. Like this also you can say. So this is also of like that. You can say MM and SM. Okay, SM correct. SM correct. You are correct. So I'll say here what? SM and this part also. Careful brackets you use carefully. CPP plus D1 dot. What is this? SM of again. I will take up like this. This is called PYM. Got it. So this is going to be called as again D1 is coming. D1 is coming. Is the total is called 196 or not? Yes. So now I want to calculate. Girls, are you following, ma? Down. Online students, are you okay? Are you comfortable with these two statements? These two statements, because dictionary commanding over the dictionary data type is very, very important. You must be so careful enough in doing this. Now I'm going to take up, in this case, TOT is equal to 196. And here TOT is equal to what, Python total marks is equal to how much? 196. And here, so that total mid marks total marks and then semester total marks is the total marks of your total semester or not. So 78 plus 196 is the total marks of your entire semester. So I will add the total to outside dictionary. Getting me? So the outside dictionary, I want to take the semester mid marks total plus semester marks total. I want to get it. That I will add to what? Outer dictionary. Tell me. d1 of tm, d1 of tm, I want to differentiate, is equal to, why I wrote d1 of tm? To the outer dictionary I am adding, is equal to, come on, d1 dot, d1 dot, get of what? mm dot what? Get of tot, get of tot plus d1 of sm. Like this also you can write or not. Dot what? Get of what? Come on. TOT. Like this also you can write. Or you can write like this also. Or you can write like this also. Correct. So once you have good hairstyle on the head, you can comb any direction. Once you don't have any hairstyle on the head, ring road, bypass road only. Correct or not? So that's why subject is the hairstyle here, not physical hairstyle. So look at, not physical hair I'm talking. I'm talking about subject is your hairstyle. Able to follow? So this is called a total. So Seema, all of you, is it the total coming or not? Yes. This is called the way of writing. Now students, now I am asking one more question. Online students, up to here, is it clear, mom? This is very complicated dictionaries because when you go to the further subjects, these things are super important for you. I'll show you where I'm going to tell you why I'm telling this concept, because when I'm explaining module 2, there is a NumPy pandas time. That time I require these fundamentals because there you are doing EDA projects. Super examples, the type of things you want to get it, machine learning algorithms, AI learning, some part of it to understand this deep discussion is required. If I'm teaching only Python, I will tell up to yesterday, only dict concept I will tell. I never talk about predefined function. I never talk about other things. Because of that, what will happen? You will lose the subject. And as a student, you will think that, oh, my sir is said dict concept. I understand well. Tomorrow, if you go to an interview point of view, they don't want to ask only theory concept. They will ask you what practical grounds they will ask. That time you should be so perfect. This is a way to learn it. Is it clear? Right. Now, I am asking, I want to remove this complete inner dictionary. I want to remove this complete inner dictionary. Or one more example I want to ask you. 1 minute, ma. I want to ask one more dictionary I want to add to the dictionary. One more dictionary I want to add to the dictionary. To the outer dictionary I want to add. Subjects I will add. What are the subjects? C, C++, Python. Those are the three subjects. Look at. These are the three subjects. What are that? Sub 1, S1, colon. What is that? C. Next, S2. What is the next? Colon. What is this? C++ or CPP. Like that I want to add. Okay, two things enough. This is called what? Subjects I want to add. This data I want to add to whom? Outer dictionary. Adding the dictionary to outer dictionary. Earlier we used to add what? Only one key, only one value. Today, for one key, I am adding dictionary. That's a great. Come on, students, tell me. D1 of subs. D1 of subs is equal to curly brace open, curly brace open, S1 colon C, S1 colon C, comma, S2 colon CPP, C plus plus. I'm writing something like that. Close. I'm just adding, earlier I added what? One key, one small value. But one key for that value is which one? Dictionary itself is a value. See students, how beautiful it is. See ma, what is this? JNTU. What is this now? TM, total marks, subs. Am I getting one more dictionary or not? This is one dictionary can contain more than one dictionary. How many dictionaries are there? Three dictionaries are there. Are you able to follow now? Yes. Now I want to change C++ as CPP. I want to change. I want to update. C++ should be updated as what? CPP. Can I update? Can I update? Yes, please tell me. D1 dot get of subs. Okay, good. Of what? S2. S2. S2 is equal to CPP. That's all. That's all. What a beautiful subject. This is called what? S2. What is this? CPP. Earlier it was what? C++. Now I want to remove S1. I want to remove S1. This key comma value pair I want to remove completely. Can I remove? Come on, tell me. Come on. D1 dot get off subs. Get off what? Subs dot pop of S1. Pop of S1. See, one dictionary function, another dictionary function I am also calling. Dictionary on dictionary functions I am calling. How great. So it is print that is it S1 removed or not? I want to remove complete dictionary, student. I want to remove complete dictionary. Tell me. Come on. D1 dot pop item off. Pop item off. No. Pop item off will not take any parameter. Pop item will remove the last. If at all you are interested to remove a particular thing, I'll say what? Subs, no problem. Already yesterday I said now. So you can say this also. So this is completely removed. See students, D1 gone or not. This is completely removed students. It is printing without that inner dictionary. Clear? Huh? So this is known as what? Which kind of dictionary? Dictin dictor. This is called what? Dictin dictor. This is called a dictin dictor. So I will go for one of the combination, I'll write on the top of it. This is the first one, dictin dictor. Under that examples, I'm going to write it. All these things you need to follow. These are all called examples. These examples you need to practice. And don't type as it is by copy paste, copy paste. If you do, nothing will come. Only copy paste concept will come. You take my data and study the question and then start working on it. Is it clear? Yes. Online students, please respond. Is it clear for all the members in the class? Very good. So I'm going to enter into the further students. Now, what is the next combination? This is completed. Completed? Huh? Yes. Next, list in dictor. Now I'm going to enter. Okay. Go to that. Be ready for answering. So now you need to remember which functions, list functions, dict functions. Both of them I should remember so that I can carry out my tasks. Same base example you carry. Come on. What is that? D1 is equal to start. S and O colon 10. Next is called what? Name. Name colon what? RS. Name colon RS. Next I'm going to write it. What is that? Colon. Now I'm going to write a list. List of values I'm going to take it. 22, so 28 and then 23. This is my given marks. For mid marks, I'm passing what? List of values. Generally, so far, one key, one value only we took it. One key, one value only we took it. But for one key, I can have more than one value also. If we go to an entry point of view, they will ask a question. Can I write more than one value for one key? Yes. What is the example? For one key, I can write a dictionary of values. For one key, I can write list of values. Getting or not, students? Yes, getting now. So I'll go to next one more thing. SM. SM colon what I can write more? 68. Next is 70. And then what? 65. Next, C name. CN colon. What is this? JNTU. I'm just writing it. Done. What is this now, students? This is known as what? Outer dictionary. What is this is called? Inner list. This list itself is acting as a value for the key or not? Yes, this is known as what? List in dictor. List in dictor. Is it possible to write or not? Possible. So I wrote it. Now I want to print the data. How do I print the data? Please look at. I will use one for loop, students. I will use one for loop. So see that K comma V, dict comma, etc. You please observe it. These two are very important for me. What is that? List in dict. That is the structure of my list in dict concept. Are you feeling any difficult? Able to catch me now? Yes. Don't feel difficulty. This is a way to learn it. I can skip off. When I skip off, you're losing your money and value about the subject. Let me cover deep of the subject so that you'll have great future. So now I want to print this data. How do you print this? How do you get the mid marks? Please tell me. D1 dot get of mm. How do you get the other way? D1 dot of what I can say SM. This way also you can get it. Right or not? Yes. No. I am going to say, I want to find out. Now I want to add one more value to this mid marks. 27, I want to add it. 27, I want to add it to the How do you add it? D1 dot get of dot, come on, beautiful, beautiful. Of what? 27. So this is called which function? Dict related function. To locate what? Dictionary. This function is for what? List function to add to the inner list. That's all. So print of D1, print of D1. Is it D1 printed with 27 or not? Yes. I want to add the value called in the 70 place. I want to add the value called what? 62. 62 I want to add. Come on, how do you do? D1 of D1 of what? SM SM dot, very good, insert of 62 comma 62 comma 62 or 1 or 2 1 comma 62 1 comma what 62. So it is called what 62. Are you able to follow now? Yes, good. Now I will ask one question to my student. One of my favorite student. Who is my favorite student in the class? Who is my favorite student? Stand up. Before only I'm going to say, who is my favorite student? Nobody. Okay. Who is my favorite student? Students? Okay. Nobody. Nobody. So all are favorite only, no? Okay. So nobody is standing up. Now I want to sort this data. I want to sort this data in ascending order. Can I start? Can I sort this data in ascending order? Yes, please. T1 dot get of dot sort of reverse is equal to true. ఫస్ట్ బెంచ్లో కూర్చొని అన్ని తప్పు చెప్తున్నావు. ట్రూ చెప్పావు. ఫస్ట్ ట్రూ చెప్పావు. కరెక్ట్? నో, he did not say. So if you say false, correct answer. If you say only like that, it is also correct answer. If you say true, wrong answer. So you decide by yourself whether you said or not. True na? False? So shall I write reverse is equal to false? You can write. Without writing also, it will be sorted. You know that already. So now you go for D1. Is it coming in sorted order or not? Yes. Now this I want to sort in where? Descending order. Tell me descending order. D1 of SM dot sort of reverse is equal to beautiful. Super. Super. Now got it. Is it coming in descending order or not? Yes. Now I want to go for one very difficult question I am asking. Very difficult. I want to find the total marks of total marks of SM. I want to find the total of that plus total of that. Both the totals I want to add the key and value to the outer dictionary. To the outer dictionary, total of mid marks, total of semester marks, I want to add it. How do you do? Come on, come on. D1 of TM total marks is equal to D1 dot get of mm plus D1 dot get of SM. With that sum will come up? No, will not come. What to do? So I will do what? Sum of. You will get what? Sum of. Where I already taught to you. In the classroom, I already taught to you. This is the one. Already I taught to you. Where I taught? In the list time or tuple time, sometime I taught. Max of, min of, sum of. Like that I said. Do you remember that? Yes. So D1 dot get of will give you what? This list. This list. What I am applying? Sum. Okay. Plus D1 dot get of SM will give you these values or not? What I am doing there? Sum. So I am going to see that students. Is it D1 contains D1 TM colon 365 coming or not? Yes. Now I am asking, I want to retrieve 22 and 27. I want to extract 22 and 27. Possible or not possible? Tell me, how do you make it possible, ma? D1 dot get of D1 dot get of Okay, good. Of, come on, colon 2. That will give you what? Yes. So D1 dot get of of colon 2. Am I getting that values 22 and 27 coming or not? Yes. I want to get it. I want to get it. Something like 68 and 62. I want to get it. 62 and 62. I want to get it. How do you get it? D1 of SM. D1 of SM will give you this entire list or not? Of what? 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. Which concept? Slicing. These are all called what? Danger positions. You have to sit 90 degrees. How are you sitting? How your friend students are sitting? Right? So sit very actively. Okay. You are showing all your sleeping syntaxes in the class. Up to 3:30 you are sleeping, correct? And you wake up and you are coming to the class. Am I correct? Correct. Because I have seen you while you are coming on the way, also I am following you. Because you are coming in different directions on the way. I have seen you. Because I will observe where is my student, how he is walking also I will see. Whether my student is walking like an Indian army or not, I will see. If my student is walking like all the directions of the path, I will see. Because a sleeping person, how he will walk, different steps he will do. Okay, don't feel it because I want to correct you. Okay, na? So don't sleep in afternoon. You try to read, refresh, and come to the class. One day you do that. How you feel relax about your mindset and about your subject. Okay, now. So especially hostelers. So because in Amirpet hostels, eating and sleeping only most of the time. But majority of the students will do. But our students should not do that. Because we came here for what? Study. Studies, right? And that too, why we are staying in hostels nearby to the class? We want to save our time. In the saving time, if you sleep, what is the meaning? Meaningless, no? So we have to do preparation. Lot of preparation required. It is my personal advice to my students. Very good. So let's go to the further. I'm going to take up. Is it clear? No. I'm asking you, I want to clear all these elements. I want to clear all these elements. I want to remove all these elements. I want to clear all these elements. Come on. D1 dot get off D1 dot get off Okay. Dot clear off. Dot clear off. It is cleared. It is cleared. Only empty is there or not? Yes. I want to remove this mm also. I want to remove this mm also. Complete list I want to remove. How do you remove? Come on. D1 dot pop of mm. So it is coming out of that. Is it removed or not? Yes. Clear or not clear? Last and final. Also I want to insert. One more is removed. Now I want to insert one more Inner dictionary only. Last and final. Is equal to, I say 22, 25, 23, and 21. Like that I want to insert. Print of D1. Is it added or not? Yes. This is called which concept? This is called what concept? List in dictive. So clear? Yes. So we got it clear. So this is about another combination we entered, completed here. This is a second combination called what? List in dictive. List in dictive. So we must be so careful in practicing that examples. Okay. So prepare these examples. After going to home, open your book, take the base example, start working on it. What are the next? What is the next, ma? Huh? So almost similar. Almost similar. Only thing is list allows us to modify. Tuple will not allows us to modify. Okay. So let us find out. I'm going to take here. I'm going to take it tuple in dictor. Very good. Let's go. So doing well. So coming to the place, I will take the original data once. This is my data. I will take it as what? Come on. Tuple I am taking. Tuple I am taking. Tuple. So this is my tuple. Come on. Done. Print the data. Print the data. D1 is printed. Use one for loop. Use one for loop. Got it. This is the one. See students. This is the main entries required. Writing tuple inside the dictive. Are you able to follow? Nice. So students, now I want to go for, now I want to enter into the further. I want to add one more value to this place. I want to add one more value to this place. Can I add it or not? You cannot add. Why we cannot add? Where the tuple is what? Immutable. So I cannot add it. Right. Can I remove the element 70? Come on. No, you cannot. Why? It is an immutable once again. Okay. Can I clear all the tuple elements? No. I cannot clear all the tuple elements because the tuple is what? Immutable. Somebody saying yes, sir. How it is possible? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Can I remove 68 and 65? No, because it is a tuple. You cannot perform any operations. Out of 12 functions in list, only 2 functions you can perform. What are those? Index of, count of. Only 2 functions you can perform. Rest of the functions you cannot perform. Clear? Now, I want to sort this data, student. I want to sort the data in descending order. Can I sort it or not? Can you tell me now? Yes, tell me. D1 dot get of mm. Come on. Dot sorted off, right? Like this. It is a wrong. It is a wrong. I will open my syntax. Wrong. Right. Bhavana, correct? But you are saying only function name. Ma? I am expecting syntax from you people. So, okay, you are saying up to that good, but I expected that also from you. Predefined functions in that 3 syntaxes I said. Sorted of iterable object, sorted of iterable object, comma, reverse is equal to false, sorted of iterable object, comma. So where is that? Most important point here. Here, sorted of iterable object, sorted of iterable object, reverse is equal to false. sorted of iterable object reverse is equal to true. By returning, what is the value returning? List. So now I will do you to see. If you do like that, you'll get which error? Attribute error will come. Which error will come? D1 dot get of is called what is coming? Tuple. Is the tuple contain sorted function? No, that will give you attribute error. Read out attribute error. Tuple object has no attribute called sorted. Clear or not? Clear? Yes, clear. Now students, now I want to go for doing the operation now. Can I do it now? Yes. Print one D1 ma. Print one D1. Now I'm going to do. Please look at that. D1 of D1 of what? Is equal to sorted of D1 dot get of what? D1 dot get of Still not completed. This is going to give you what? List. So it is updating this tuple with what? List. But I want to update with what? Tuple. So I already said to you earlier. What is this now? Tuple of. This is a subject. Understand everybody? Yes. Please look at that D1. See mom, is it coming in the sorted format or not? Ascending order. If you want to descending, you do descending here. Can I do it now? Yes. Please tell me. D1 of like this. Sorted of. Come on. Even you can say like this also. Come on. What is this now? SM. SM. Comma. Reverse is equal to what? True. Reverse is equal to true. Is the brackets are, this is comma should be removed. This is a bracket like that. Okay. D1 of this one will give you what? Tuple. This tuple of values. Reverse is equal to what? True. So is the bracket matching? Yes. This is also matching. Okay. Ma? D1 of. Okay. SM. Okay. Starting. So now it is going to be D1 of like this. Is it coming in descending order? There is one beautiful concept called working with missing data. Working with missing data. You see here, observe. What is this now? What is this now? Dict is equal to curly brace open, curly brace close. Outer dictionary. What is this now? First score. What is this value? List. What is the next? Second score. What is this? Third score. What is again? List. What is this concept called? List in dictionary. List in dictionary. Like that. Wherever you go to the application development, you will come across. See that dictionary started. Courses are called a list of courses. Fees, list of fees for the courses. Duration of the courses. Discount of the courses. All of them are given in the form of what? List of dicts. List in dicts. So further also there is a lot of discussion is going to come in front of you. These combinations will really shape your career. Shall I move to the further? Next one is called what? Set in dict. Think about it. Is it possible to write or not possible to write? You need to tell. Come on. Possible to write or not possible to write down? Possible or not possible? Hmm? Not possible. Possible. Quickly. I am pressing enter key. You need to tell. Possible or not possible? Think and say. Possible or not possible? So don't see the chat box and don't tell. Don't follow anybody. Everybody need to follow you. Like that you build. Tell me. Possible? Possible. No problem. Possible. So, but order of that will not be possible. It is possible to write it. Elements will come in any of the order, right? So print of D1 ma, and I'll use one for loop also. As usual, the same thing you see. This is a very important for me. This is a very important for me. Understand? Now I want to add one more element to this MM25. I want to add. Can I add the element 25 to this? Yes. How? D1 dot get off as beautiful. D1 dot get off what? Very beautiful command. Dot add up and down. Add up. Good. How many functions are there in sets? 17 functions I said. So when I said sets in dict functions you have to remember, set functions you have to remember. Easy. So add of what? 25, for example. So add it. D1 you print it. Is 25 added or not? Where it can add it, no problem, but it is added. I want to add something like what 69 I want to add. To whom? SM. How do you add it? T1 of what? SM. SM. Dot. Add of what? 65. 65. Okay. 67. I will add 67. No problem. Some value you add it. D1. Is it 67 added or not? Yes. Now, students, be careful. I want to, I want to do one thing. I want to create one more key by merging this value plus this values. Values, SM values, I want to merge. By merging all of them, I want to keep it into one more thing called what? All. All is called one more kind of key. Are you able to follow? So in all key, I want what? Marks plus SM marks I want. Can I do it? Yes. Come on, I forget how to do. D1 of all. D1 of what? All is equal to, come on, mm, mm, stand up, mm, mm, see there, dot update of SM, right or wrong? Right or wrong? Wrong, wrong. Sit down. Next, who will tell correct answer? No, stand up. D1 of, D1 of, okay, dot update of, good, D1 of SM. Okay, good. Because of that, D1 of SM values are this one. Added to whom? Will they add to all? No. This one is adding. What I said, update function, merge, set to data to whom? Set one, but not added to whom? All. Correct? So this also technically output will not come. Correct or not? This data is added to whom? But not added to whom? All. I think you are understanding. Is everybody understood? Yes. What to do? Sit down, ma. Okay, want to say, you can say. Want to say? Try. Come on. Empty set. inside the set d1 dot get of mm. So dot update of d1 dot get of sm bracket. So this is becoming what? You are adding this data to this place. It is going to become what? There also what is happening? This data added to whom? This one. This is going to become what? Set. It will become set in set. Set in set possible or not possible? Possible? Okay. Then test చేస్తాను. తీసేస్తాను. This one. You see? Not possible. Are you following that? Then I'm appreciating you. Your efforts are very important. But ma, so that will give you what? Plus a plus operator. Plus operator also will not work out. Plus operator will work out only for lists. It is not working for sets. It is not working for sets. I'm appreciating your efforts, but it is not working for sets. Plus operator works for only list. It is not for what? Sets. I really appreciate. Very good. No problem. Error is coming, no problem. But remembering those things are very important. No problem. Okay. Forget about that. Now I will tell you. Now I'll tell you. Print D1. Look at ma. You can answer, no doubt in that. What I will do is, first I will do like this. D1 of, what is this now? Em cheppana? All. All is equal to set of. I'm going to say. What I'm doing? Empty set I am adding. What I'm adding? Empty set. Empty set I'm adding. You please look at. Is it empty set added or not? Take the empty set. Take the empty set. To that empty set add which elements? Which elements you added? Okay, it is added. It is because of that previous statement, it was added already. It was already added. So I will create no problem. No problem. These elements because of the some statement, it is done now here. Because of something here, because of the previous statement, this is done already. Here it is done. So I will take this data. This data I will rebuild it. I will rebuild it. D1 this is. D1 is equal to. Okay. Print D1. Print D1. So this is my D1. So these elements, I want to add this elements plus this elements to what? All. How do you do? D1 of, come on, all is equal to what? One empty set I will do, students. Print of D1. Is it an empty set is available for all or not? Now do what? Merge the values to whom? So that you merge. Come on, do. D1 dot get of all. Get of all will give you what? Empty set. Dot. Come on. Update of D1 dot get of mm. So see, in that all, which values are coming? Values are coming. Is values coming or not? To that values again you do what? SM. Come on, do once again. D1, this is the one. Another way I'm doing. Come on. D1 of all. Come on. Dot. Update of D1 dot SM. Super. This is the one. So also done A1. Is it all of them added or not? Yes. This is the way. Understood all of you? Right. Girls, understood ma? So what I did here, what I added here, empty set So that first I updated the values, later I updated that value. Both of them at a time not possible, because our syntax speaks what? Right side values updated with the left side values, not extremely left side the values. Because if you practice more, you will get this idea. Okay, don't feel it the complicated. This is a way to learn like this. Without telling also, I can say dict is over, so that you will become nothing. So I want to teach very calm, very deep subject for you. If you prepare well like that, you are a superpower. Are you getting me? Well, students in online, is it clear, mom? Is this entire things are clear? I will go to this place. So I'm taking up to here, coming to this place. Here I'm going to. So come to this place, some duplications are there. From here onwards, some duplications. So this I will eliminate, students. This I will eliminate. This I will take it. This is one simplest good logic here. This also I will take off. This also I will take off. From here onwards, your requirement is fulfilled. Is it okay now? Right. What is this concept called? Set in. Yes. Set in dict. This is what is new concept for you. Set in dict. Okay. Next. Come on. Fast. Speed up now. What is the next combination? Over now. These four combinations over. Major things are completed. Now I'll go to dict in list. So what is an outer here? List. What is an inner? Very good. Go to defining that. Now students, tell me LST is equal to, be careful. You need to tell, is it possible to write or not possible to write? Okay now? Right. So don't sit like a railway passenger. Sit like a normal student. So 10 comma RS, 10 comma RS. Next I'm going to write it. Come on. What I'm going to write it? Dictionary. Dictionary. I am writing there CM colon 25. Next is called what? CPP colon 22. I am writing like this. Are you able to follow now? Next I am going to write it. One more kind of thing. So colon, CM colon. I'm going to take it some 65. Next CPP colon. I will write 70. I'll write 70. This is called what? One dictionary. This is called what? Another dictionary. Comma. I will write what? JNTU. JNTU I am writing. Is it clear? So students, you see, this is called my data. Observe. This is, what is this part is called? Outer dictionary. What these two are called? Inner dictionary. Inner dictionary 1, inner dictionary 2. This is called what here? Outer list. Is it possible or not possible? Come on, quickly. Possible? Huh? Yes, possible. Why? Anything you are writing nested, you have to think two things. Is it possible to access or not? Is it possible to access inner dictionary? Yes. Why I will access the inner dictionary? Because the dictionary is a mutable. Mutable things need to access or not? To access the inner dictionary, what outer should provide? Indexing need to provide. Or it has to provide some function to get the data, like get function, d1 of some key or something. Now it is providing what concept here? Index is providing, slicing concept also providing. That's why it is possible to write, not possible to write. Possible to write it. So possible to write it. Print of what, mom? LST. So got it. How do you print? For Chapandi. For X. For X. Or for value. K gado. For value. In where? LST. For key comma value. In listed dot items you cannot write. Will you write? No. Why you are saying K comma V like that? నువ్వే కదా మొదలు పెట్టింది. K తో మొదలు పెట్టావు నువ్వు. ఎవరు మొదలు పెట్టింది? You started with you. Okay, of course you are not speaking, I know. Just I want to find out the who said that. At least we'll say, okay, back student or something. Who said? You don't know. Okay. So Value in where? LST. So come to the point back. Come on. Value, comma, come on. Type of value. Type of value, comma, arrow, and a type of LST. Type of LST. Are you able to follow now? These things are very, very important. Now I want to print CM and CPPM. I want to print CM marks, CPP marks. I want to print. How do you print it? For your favorite answer, K comma V in LST of, come on guys, LST of 2 dot what? Items of, LST of 2 is which type? Dict type. LST of 2 is, LST of 2 is dictionary. So I'm writing here for K comma V in where LST of 2 dot, LST of 2 dot items of, super this is. So K comma and this is called what? V. So I'm writing this. Am I getting or not? Yes. In another way also, what is this now? LST of what? One more value called what? Minus 2. Minus 2 will give you this. LST dot dot minus 2. Suppose if I am writing like this, keys, I am writing keys, only keys, which is going to give you K. Only K is coming, K printing, and value also need to print or not. How do you print it? LST of minus 2 of what? K. Of K. Are you able to follow? This one, you see, answer is coming. Answer is coming. Because this knowledge is a tremendous knowledge. This one, next you go to that, another way you can write it. Dot what? Get of K. You take any Python student and ask this. Totally out of what? Data types only don't know. This is the one. Are you able to get it or not? Yes. So online students, are you comfortable? So written. Now come to print of. This one I will just carry. This I will carry. This is a list I'll carry. Let me ask some more questions. Now I'll ask some more questions. Go there. I will keep it in the combinations. Here, what is this? Dict in. Very good. Dict in list. Okay. So there I wrote it. One more continuation process. Here I'm going to do, here I will do students. Print of LST, print of LST, got it. Now I want to add one more marks, PYM 26 I want to add. PYM I want to add. Possible or not possible? Possible. Tell me how it is possible. LST of 2. First you need to access the inner one. LST of 2 is what? A dictionary. How to add the dictionary? So what now? PYM, PYM is equal to 25 or 27, right? Finalized. It is 27 added or not? Yes, beautiful. Now I will add one more kind of thing, PYM also to this place also. How do I add it? LST of 3, LST of 3 of what? PYM is equal to 69, 69. So added there. So print of LST, is PYM added or not? Yes. I want to find out the total marks of this data. Total marks of this data. Tell me, total marks of the data. LST of 2, LST of 2. Come on. LST of 2 in this inner list, CM 25 plus 22 plus 27. I want as a total in the same dictionary only. Come on. TOT is equal to LST of 2 dot get of CM. Okay. Plus, come on. LST of 2 dot get of what? CPP plus, come on, of what next? PYM. Super. Print of LST. Is the total mark 74 came or not? Come on, next. Similarly, I want the total marks here also. In that, what I'll do? LST of minus 2 or 3, whatever it is, 3 of, in another way, look at, of CM. Next, 3 always of CPP like this. Okay, this is called 3 of what? Like this. PYM. Are you okay? So this is also like this. Got it? Got it or not? Yes. Now I will last final question. Everybody need to say JNTU coming now. After JNTU or at the JNTU place, at the JNTU place, 74 plus what? 74 plus 204 I want. 74 is called what? Total marks of one inner dictionary. PY total marks of external marks is what? 204. Both of them I want to add. I will keep it into where outer list. How do you do? How do you do? Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Not good, no? That two girls are very sincere. So, okay, no problem. Come on, come on. LST dot insert of minus 1 comma minus 1 comma. What I want? Value. I want the value. Which value plus which value I want? This total marks plus what? This total marks. How do you locate this total marks, ma'am? LST of 2, LST of 2 of what? TOT, TOT plus LST of 3 dot get of another way TOT, TOT. That will be inserted at which place? Minus 1. Minus 1 element will move to the forward or not? One step forward. That is called what? Plus 1 direction. Shall I write it? Yes, please tell me. LST of 2 dot of what? TOT. Okay, good. Plus LST of 3 dot get off TOT. TOT. Are you following me? Yes. Beautiful. Please see that. Is it called 278 coming or not? Yes. Easy or difficult? Dead easy. Last and final. I want to change 22 as 25. 22. CPP marks 22 as 25. Can I do it or not? Yes. How do you do? LST of 2 of what? CPP is equal to 25. Done. It is 25. Done or not? Yes. Simple. Now, like this, I can do any more things. Are you able to follow? This is called which concept, ma'am? Which concept this is? Yes. So I got it from here. This is from this place. I will write it. Done. So got it. Okay. Up to here already I got it. I hope so. Not no need to copy everything. Up to here I will get it from here. Last. Is it difficult class today? Understanding? Right. Good. Interesting, boring. Online students tell me. Interesting or boring or? So I need to know. Survey I want to take it every moment. Interesting or boring or? Hmm? I'm asking you only. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Raise the hands. I want to see. And don't say sorry is sitting in front of me. Here no internal marks. Girls. In Mamir Japra. Okay, good. Okay, good. So here no internal marks. If I teach high quality subject, you recommend my batches to every student, right? So, but how you know that I'm teaching? We teach well. We teach tremendous deep knowledge by comparing different type of sources. Then only we can come to know this. So next I will go to what? This is called what here? List in, dict in list. Next I will go to where? Dict in tuple. Same. Dict in tuple. So I'm going to enter into this. So coming to the point back, and one more small thing is in the 22nd, 22nd, 22nd. at 7 a.m. Full stack Python is starting. Full stack Python, same your batch only, like your batch. One more is starting at 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. morning batch is starting. Any of your friends are there or any of your relatives looking for some new Python batch students can tell, because some of the students were asked already in the class. So you can tell about my batch to your friends and relatives. So I'll go to where? Dict in tuple. So let's go. Store to this place. So I'm going to take the data. This is the one I will take it. So go to this TPL. This is called a tuple. This is like that. So print of what? TPL. Print of TPL. So tuple and print this data now. One for loop I will take it. One for loop. So here I will write it. What is this? TPL. I'll take it. TPL here. TPL I'm going to take it. So this is going to give you dict present in where? Any data to this dictionary? Come on. You can. You can add the data to that, because I'm adding to whom I said dictionary. Dictionary is called what? Mutable. I cannot add the dictionary to tuple, but I'm adding value to the dictionary. No problem. TPL of 2 gives you dictionary. TPL of 3 will give you dictionary. TPL of 2 dot what? PYM. PYM will give you what? 20, 27, 27. This is the one like this. So done. Print of TPL. Print of TPL. Is 27 added? You can, because I'm adding the data to whom? Dictionary. Dictionary is a mutable or immutable? Mutable. So now I want to remove one more. You add it here to the outside also. Come on, what is this now? 3. 3. I will add some 67, 57 or 67. It is also added here. Now I want to remove the CPP. Can I remove or not? Yes. How do you remove? TPL of 2, 3 or 2? 3 dot pop of CPP. CPP gone or not? CPP gone. Can I remove this complete dictionary? Come on. Yes or no? No, I cannot, because the dictionary is the element of what? Tuple. So can I remove the tuple element? No. If I try to remove tuple element, you will get, by using remove function or something, you will get attribute error. So you cannot remove. So if I say TPL dot remove of, what is that? Remove of this entire thing. If I try to write it, you will get what error? Type error will be coming. That is type error in the sense attribute error will be coming. As I said to you, remove function is not there in where? Tuple object. Is it clear? Right. So same, whatever the operation I did with what earlier with list, all the operations you can do on where also? Inner dictionaries you can do it. So this is about which concept? Which concept? Tuple in dict. Tuple in dict. Dict in tuple. Right. Dict in tuple. So got it. So this is the one, we got it. Now students, next I'm going to take up one more combination, last combination, I hope so. We are coming to dict in set. Dict in set, last one we are coming. This is completed now. Dict in set. Okay, come to the point back. So tell me. So I'm going to write it. S1 is equal to S1 is equal to like this. It is known as what? Set here. This is known as what? Inner dictionary. This is known as inner dictionary. Possible or not possible? Come on. Not possible. Why not possible? Because these are inner dictionaries. To access the inner dictionaries, I need indexing. Do you have indexing here? No. That's why it is not possible. What is an error name? Type error. Type error. Already said now, students, type error. Wrong, incompatible types, wrong operations if you do, you will get what? Type error. Invalid conversions if you do, that is called value error. Python plus 2. Python plus 2. Python is which type? str type. Plus numeric. Not possible. This is called a wrong compatibility operation. str type plus int type are not possible to add in Python. That is called which error? Int of Python. Int of Python. This is not possible to convert. This is called what error? Value error. Invalid conversions called invalid compatible types type error. Still, it will take some time to understand, but I'm trying to make you to understand. Is it clear? So this will give you what? Error, type error. So cannot use dict as set element because sets not providing indices to access the inner dictionaries. That's why this error will be coming. So here writing set inside of that is not possible. So I'll go to these combinations here. So I hope students you are understanding what is this? Dict in set possible or not possible? Not possible. That itself will give you not possible. So these are the subject of what? This is the subject of combinations. Is it clear regarding the combinations? So this is about how the combinations explain. Almost all the combinations completed. With this total combinations over. And in tomorrow's session, the if I open that, a biggest chapter we started here, and the last 10 to 15 days onwards, we are discussing this data types. Very biggest chapter in the Python. There we are having this one. All the data types completed successfully. Dict also done. Tomorrow, I'll tell you some miscellaneous concepts in dict, which are asked in different type of places, and that I will explain some miscellaneous concepts. Plus, I will go for what? None type. None type is only 5 minutes. None type is only 5 minutes. What is the use of none type? I will explain. Because today also I opened in NumPy level, Pandas level, there was a none is there. There was a none. Might be you have seen it. That time it will come. None type tomorrow I will tell you. This is a very short message tomorrow, but it is a bigger one in the coming days. Where I am going to explain, I will show you tomorrow. Some miscellaneous points I will explain. With tomorrow's class, our data type will be completing. The first 1 hour, our data types will be completed. The second 40 minutes, I am going to start batch mode programming. I'm going to start batch mode programming. That means a big problem solving. I'm going to tell you PyCharm installation. How many ways are there to do Python programming? 3 ways. What is the first one? Python command prompt, Python ideally, Python Py. That is the real-time ID called PyCharm I am going to tell tomorrow. Installation of PyCharm I am going to tell. I'll tell you what is ideally command prompt, differences I will tell. Then I'll tell you the installation of PyCharm. Understand? So that part I will take it, and don't miss tomorrow class. When Friday comes, going to underground activities, Saturday, Friday planning, don't do that activities. Try to be careful. Don't miss the classes. So tomorrow class, I'll finish my data types with some miscellaneous points I will cover in the classes. Okay, na? Right. Please read well. You practice that examples, all of you, and attend tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on. Any date, any doubts are there, you hold on. I will connect within few seconds. I'll clear your doubts. With raise your hands. Online students, any more doubts? Dhanusha. Sir, still we have many topics and modules, but we have already completed one unit. How we are going to complete all these modules? See, ma, Dhanusha. So if you have two early ma, if you are 1 month completed means I am not playing in the class, right or not? Dhanusha, I am not playing in the class now. Are we playing in the class? No, na. We are covering everything in the subject part. I said already in the class. So data types is a major important topic. If I cover one answer like that, by this time it will be completing. Don't take from starting date of the. Okay, I understand your curiosity, but I need to tell from my side also. From my side also, I need to take it. So starting time 15 days. It is the demo sessions only. Starting 15 days is the demo sessions only. Okay. I said just give you full stack Python introduction. So the actual day starts from last 15 days only. From the day one onwards, if I take it, if I start from the day one onwards, nobody can understand the data types from the beginning. Okay, Dhanusha, did you understand what I'm trying to say? If you are having too curiosity to complete it, go to other batch. That is my advice. Okay, understand this point. If you want a deep coverage of the subject, come to my batch. If you are having any urgency, go to the other batch. Right? Right, mom. Okay, thank you, mom. Right. Thank you for your appreciation also. So now I will go to the further. So tomorrow class, I'll go for the miscellaneous concepts of dictate and non-type also I'll cover. Right. So now go to the further topic. Any more doubts, students? Any more doubts? So the data types are the backbone for the entire Python programming. Once you know data types, you can do everything very well. If we don't know that kind of thing, it will be a problem. Don't take from the starting date of the batch. First 15 days, no programming was started. Just started the introduction to full stack Python. Started from last 15 days onwards only. That is the point back. Okay. Thank you. All the best. No more hand raising symbols. I'll upload the notes for you. Thank you. All the best.